All right, here we are. It's gonna be a beautiful day. We're here at Woodinville Whiskey Company and we're here to remove some trees. We've got this outdoor patio and they've actually had a number of branches breaking off while people are here. So our job is to make this area safe by removing these trees and creating a safe outdoor patio area.
So we're gonna set up the crane and get all the dunnage out, get the boom lifted, and I'll attach to that, and he'll just kind of float me over to the tops of those spindly maples, and that's where I'll attach the chains for the crane. And then I'll slowly come down and maybe take it in 2 or 3 pieces, each one, or what do you think, Peter? 2 pieces?
This bigger one in the back, I could see us taking that in 2, but the rest will be single pickers.
2?
Yeah.
2 pieces for the big one and single pickers for the rest.
Here we go.
It's gonna be a good day. All right, we're about to take this bad boy in one cut. We got the chains hooked up there. We got tension. We hooked up our tagline that I kind of talked about earlier to keep the butt from swinging. And then I'm also gonna be trying to cut a V cut into the bottom of the trunk to help with any kind of swinging on the bottom. It kind of just nestles into it.
Here we go, just pulling you up into the upper canopy. Hooking the chains on. Got my wiper going, I can see the action. It's not raining too hard, that's good. tree is detached from the stump, but we got a little tension on it, so maybe Mark, you could start giving it slack. Okay, so we're free of the fir. Now we just got to go around the back side of this whiskey tower. Okay, cabling up. All right, great work, guys. We got those 5 trees out of the way. I'm thinking we're gonna make this look good, clean it up, and then we're gonna head off to the next job, so. All right, that was an awesome job. Thanks for watching. We got the trees safely out. We got them all chipped and cleaned up. Parking lot's clean. I'm off, heading out to the next job.